Panics when they had tough times.
George harassed by Thompson. Back out Paul George. George tries, can't hit. Oklahoma City was right there. George misses again. George with another steal. Lines up the three-pointer.
Shots though.
George way off. It's the side of the backboard.
KC from three-point land for Paul George. Thunder were terrible last year from beyond distance. Now you get a guy who's a three-point shooter that really kind of helps spread the floor for Westbrook.
And you see how Paul George ran around from the left.
Yeah, so maybe he should have came from the left.
Exactly. Because you're pulling from that side. Why waste that 2-3 seconds to go around the rack?
Respect meter there. Everyone on that second rack off to the right for Paul George trying to recalibrate at the top of the key. Money ball. No. Paul's going to have to do some work, 3D.
Yeah, he needs all of these, Brent.
I guess they can stop talking about all that him coming to LA now.
Wait a minute. Come on now.
Yeah, they can stop all that LA talk now. He's staying in OKC after shooting like this in his building.